Welcome. Today we're discussing IPTV installation. Finding a trustworthy IPTV provider is difficult. For 2025, we recommend 2tv.store for you. Let's dive into the installation process now. First, power on your Amazon Firestick device. Navigate to the home screen of the Firestick. Select the search option or magnifying glass. Type in Downloader to find the app. Install the Downloader app from the search results. Once installed, open the Downloader app now. In Downloader, enter the URL for IPTV. Download the IPTV app from the provided link. Once downloaded, open the IPTV app immediately. Log in using the credentials from 2tv.store. Now you're ready to explore all channels. Navigate through channels to find favorites. Don't forget to adjust settings for better experience. Consider enabling parental controls if necessary. Now you can enjoy your favorite shows. Stay tuned for future tech tips and guides. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below which shows you like the most. Thank you for watching our video today. See you in the next tech tutorial.